She's crazy like a fool. What about Daddy Cool?
Right now we're at the zoo. We have Kanya feeding the pigs, doing God's work.
I know that it eat vegetable. Aw, okay. Don't cry. ASMR. ASMR.
This is how nature works. We feed them and then we eat them.
Do they eat this too?
Yeah, we eat pigs like the bacon. They make some good bacon. So thank you, pigs.
Shut up. You don't need to say it here.
My bad, guys.
They eat it. Look at that.
Guys, we have another video where we went to like this festival and they had the tiniest little pigs. I think these are on par, but not as cute as the ones at that festival. Remember that, Kanya? The tiny, tiny ones? Let's see if I can feed them.
I want to have a pet pig.
You say that, but then they get like super big. And then it's just like not cute anymore.
This one eats so fast. Oh,
Yeah, look at this. Guys, the other day I was driving down from the villa and pretty much what happened was I was driving down very fast and I saw one of these roosters. I think it looked exactly like this one with the red top right there. I saw him in the road and to be honest I thought he was gonna move and get out of the way because I was driving down the mountain with my bike, and then instead of getting out of the way he started running towards my bike and then I just ran him over. And hopefully he's alive, but as I kept driving and I stopped real quick, looked around, looked behind me, and he was like taking a nap, dead, I don't know. And then all the other roosters were coming to go see what happened. And the whole trip, because I was like on the way to go pick up Kanya, on the way back, I looked again and it was gone. So maybe he's alive, or maybe this is him right here. He just traveled all the way over here and is now in prison.
Ate him.
Or that, I mean, that could be a possibility as well.
Maybe somebody ate him.
Yeah, but I'm maxing out the bad karma. So hopefully, I mean, I saved the bug in the pool, so maybe that balances out the karma. So now I'm back debt-free, karma-wise. See that red one? Where the chicken's sleeping? That's most of you guys. You guys are sleeping away the money. Get up. Be like these chickens. The early bird gets the worm. They got to eat. The one who gets up and does the work gets the money as well.
I want to give that one. He been like walking around, but everybody blocked him.
Which one? The one in the corner?
This one. He been trying so many times, but everybody just blocked him. Oh, look at
He's the one who gets bullied.
Look at the red eye.
Oh, that's creepy.
Classic. Oh my goodness. Ryan, look at this one. Oh, look at that tiny one. It's so small.
Where's he going?
It's escaping. Ain't got no food. You know? Yeah, how tiny then. Why digging?
Trying to escape. Freedom is on his mind. He knows there's another way to escape the Matrix. Guys, put down in the comments below whether or not you think this bunny is alive. I think he's breathing. Kanye thinks he's dead. But let's zoom in here and see what the actual evidence is. Ah, this one's in the way. Oh. Okay, he might be dead. Everyone was just trampling him. But yeah, guys, I had 4 sales calls today. Already had 1, but it was a no-show. I have 3 more, 1 in about an hour and a half. And then 5 p.m. and then 7 p.m. So it's going to be a pretty fun day. We're about to have a crocodile show in about 10 minutes, which we're about to walk over to. And then enjoy the rest of today. Unfortunately, Kanye has to go back to nursing for like a month. So you guys won't be seeing Kanye for a month. Bye, Kanye. But yeah, other than that, guys, that's pretty much what's going on. I might stay in Samui for a few more days with Alex and Evo. And a few others, just to grind out sales, content, life maxing.
You mean sleeping?
Bro, I only sleep at night. What do you mean? And naps, but those are like very profitable naps.
Take a nap.
All right, let's go crocodile show.
Look at.
Actually, feed them the rest.
Female, right? Look at her lashes.
Yeah, I could feel the feminine energy from the cage. Alright guys, right now we're trying to find the waterfall. Had no luck so far. Alright, so apparently we're going the right way. Luckily we don't have to climb up that big ass hill. Guys, my shoes are like on 2% health. They're about to just fall off my feet. I've been having them since high school. Been through 5 years of life with me and they're still kicking. We finally found the waterfall. We're nearly there, I believe. Not that bad of a walk. Last time it took us like 40 minutes to even see the waterfall, but this time it's been less than 10. That looks better. Look at the waterfall, mates. Alright guys, I'm gonna get up here with one hand only. I have a beer in my left pocket. Hopefully it doesn't fall out. Most important thing.
Yeah, what is this?
I don't know, you'd probably die if you drink it. Or you would turn immortal. Cold?
Spider!
Yeah? Do you think you could drink this water, right? It's pretty clear? No? I could definitely climb this without you guys, unfortunately, but I'll climb it. You just like go up the left, the right, the left, the right, kind of like zigzag.
Dude, look how nice it is.
What'd you say?
This looks pretty.
Last beer in Koh Samui.
Cheers.
Are you gonna miss them watching you?
You haven't seen me for a month.
We might have to go to Hua Hin and see Kanya at the hospital.
Peace. You already said that, so you have to come now. In front of the camera. Said it.
Video evidence. If I go to Hua Hin, I will visit Kanya at the hospital.
You have to go to Koh Hin now. Did you said that?
I will. Maybe not next week. So maybe the week after, or the month after, or the year after.
Let's hope we not break up by then yet.
Well, we'll get you a tattoo of my name on your hand before you go.
It's gonna cost a lot.
Fair enough. Be worth it. Because you're priceless.
Phone?
Huh?
What did you say?
I said you're priceless.
Exactly.
But yeah, guys, we just got like beef tartare, hamburger, and what'd you get, Kanya?
You say salmon poke, salmon poke,
Poke bowl.
poke bowl, poke bowl, salmon poke bowl, and a beer.
Ah, 6 oysters.
Beef tartare and oyster.
Got the oysters to maximize the test for success. Even Kanya's test. Kanya, how much testosterone do you think you have?
You have what, 900?
I have 942.
I have 150.
150?
1,000.
1,000? Just because of the oysters.
1,500.
Oysters and Corona.
Why did I say 115?
That's pretty low.
As I was supposed to say 15, like 15,000.
1,500? Alright, we're gonna smash these down real quick.
Celebrity? A little celebrity.
Beef tartare, all mine.
Hey, where are you moving them? So,
Huh?
where are you moving them?
Look at this.
I'm trying to have a bite over.
Just have a little nibble.
I mean, you want me to film it? Okay, you have a first bite.
Alright, so first off,
Why is it so dark?
let's just mix this around a little bit. Just get a scoop. Let's put on the bread. I think it might be better than Gigi.
Really? Here's our main course.
I think there's only
Got
like
the
9% left.
salmon bowl.
You guys were eating up good in the neighborhood. Got some fries. This is they call this the real Big Mac, but we're gonna find out if that's true. It literally has Big Mac sauce, as you can see right here. They even give you gloves to eat it, which is pretty cool. And I have a call in about 10 minutes, 20 minutes, so we're gonna smash this down as fast as possible and then try to get some commission at the door. But yeah, for the video, guys, that's pretty much it. This camera is about to die, so yeah, it's been an absolute pleasure having you guys around. Climbed a waterfall, went to go watch crocodiles, and someone put their hand in their mouth, and then eating at a very nice place. It's been a very good day, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.